Acer Aspire XC-1780. Can this mini tower replace your old desktop? Ever felt like your computer slows down right when you need it most? That spinning wheel of doom during meetings, projects, or video calls. It's enough to make anyone pull their hair out. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. You're not alone. And trust me, there's a way to break free from lag without adding clutter or frustration to your workspace. Deadlines pile up, multitasking turns into chaos, and productivity takes a nosedive. The stress of juggling multiple apps, browser tabs, and cloud meetings can be exhausting. Now, imagine a machine that keeps up with every task, handles heavy workloads, and keeps your day flowing, without the noise, crashes, or endless waiting. Finally, you could regain control of your time and focus. Meet the Acer Aspire XC-1780-UA93 Desktop, a compact powerhouse that balances size with serious performance. Powered by the Intel Core i7-14700 20-core processor, up to 5.4 GHz, it handles everyday tasks, office apps, multimedia, and light creative work effortlessly. Paired with 16 GB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, apps launch instantly, multitasking is smooth, and file access feels nearly instantaneous. The Intel UHD Graphics 770 enables 4K dual display output, perfect for extended workspaces or home entertainment setups. Connectivity is rock solid with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, dual Gigabit LAN, USB-C, and HDMI ports, making it a versatile hub for modern workflows. One user shared, "Upgrading to this desktop was night and day. The system flies, and even multiple video conferences run flawlessly." Stick around until the end, where I'll reveal a hidden tip for optimizing Windows 11 Pro on this desktop to unlock even more efficiency. Why are experts, analysts, and users raving about the Acer Aspire XC-1780? A tech reviewer said, "The 20-core i7 makes multitasking seamless, and Wi-Fi 6E ensures a stable connection." An industry analyst added, "Acer delivers strong performance in a compact form factor, perfect for professional environments and home offices." Users echo the excitement. One shared, "Multiple apps, video calls, and browser tabs all run without a hiccup. The SSD is lightning fast, and it stays quiet." A small business owner explained, "We deployed several in our office, and the SD card reader alone streamlined our marketing workflow." These stories show that performance, reliability, and expandability aren't just specs, they're productivity unlocked. From running heavy office applications to streaming media in 4K, the XC-1780 handles it all with ease. Which feature would save your day the most? The turbocharged CPU, ultra-fast SSD, or dual display support? Comment below, I'm curious. Thousands are talking about this mini tower, and it's not hype. It's proof that compact desktops can redefine productivity. Don't wait. Experience the Acer Aspire XC-1780 for yourself. Professionals, students, and home office users are already upgrading, praising its speed, reliability, and compact design. Stock is limited, and the difference this desktop makes is immediate. Here's a bonus. Click now to discover a hidden Windows 11 Pro optimization trick that makes multitasking even smoother. Don't just watch. Join thousands who've leveled up their workflow today and see how this mini tower can transform the way you work, create, and play.